Hi ladies, Mike Goldstein, founder of Easy Dating Coach here, the most efficient dating coach in the world. If you would like to be efficient in your dating process, please subscribe to the channel. And if any part of this video resonates with you at any time, please hit the like button. That helps get the word out about my videos, so I would appreciate it. All right, today, this secret makes him want you more. Do this right now. This story has a happy ending, but it bothers me because I made a mistake in this one. So I have this amazing client, Linda, and I started working with her. And the moment I started working with her, I go, this woman's magnificent. Like, this is going to be a slam dunk for me. I have an 83% success rate of putting people in relationships, and I think this is going to be easy. So Linda's in her mid-60s. She's a little bit overweight. She's short, overweight woman, but amazing personality and so successful. She's got a veterinarian practice that's in the top, I think, 2 or 5% most successful veterinarians in the country. She's super smart. She's traveled to Africa to work on rhinos, like done cool things. She blows glass as a side hobby. She hikes. She does all these cool activities that make her desirable. And she's successful. She has a great home. She's financially stable. She's bubbly. She's happy. All these wonderful things where I'm thinking this is going to be easy. So I put her into my online dating methodology, and we're going on some dates here and there, and none of them stick. Zero. And we're not exactly attracting the best guys. And I just keep going and going. I'm like, we will persevere. We will persevere. And we keep putting her on dates. And this lasts a while. And then finally it clicks to me. And this is the secret that makes him want you more. Is something was missing within her that was never going to allow us to be successful. What was missing was she didn't feel like she was enough. She didn't feel like she deserved it. From her divorce, she was still feeling inadequate and still feeling like she had nothing to offer and not good enough. Now, she is the epitome of being good enough and being worth it. But something inside of her didn't feel that way, and she couldn't tell herself, I'm worth it, I'm enough, I'm amazing. Everything towards herself was, I am not enough. I'm overweight. I'm not good enough. I don't have a... Everything was down, even though she was fantastic. So I finally realized something was up, and this is not something I work on. So I sent her over to my friend Helena Hart. And Helena doesn't do private coaching unless it comes through me. And it all kind of started through this revelation that I can't help someone who doesn't love themselves. And so at that point, she went over to Helena and quickly realized, I am fantastic. I do love myself. So she started to accept herself. And she started to embody femininity. Because she had this amazing practice, she'd become a bit in her masculine energy with this like do, take charge. And also because she's raised children, she had a business and she's successful, she didn't know how to receive. So any man that came into the picture couldn't give to her. So the men that came into her life, sometimes we did get her some decent guys, didn't feel needed. They're like, what am I here for? This woman has freaking everything. She has all these hobbies, a great job. Like, what am I going to do? So soon into working with Helena, all of a sudden a great guy appears and he wants to take her hiking. And he brings the big bag with all the waters for them, all the snacks. And before, she used to be the prepared one. She used to be the one to do everything. Now he's helping her up the big rock to get up there. He's saying, hey, would you like some water? Hey, it's been a few hours. Why don't you have this protein bar? And she's like, I'm not good at having someone give me stuff, but you are amazing. And I want to get used to this. So the secret was allowing herself to receive and loving herself and accepting herself and being in her feminine, being in the present, enjoying the moment, and out of her masculine where she was planning and unable to receive. So once you can do that, he's going to want you more. Now, I'm not the person to help you with this. I'm not an expert at that. If you would like some private coaching with Helena to get you to love yourself, accept yourself, work on receiving, and just ultimately making you wildly irresistible so that we can attract a man to you, let's get that going. What we'll do is we'll put a link up there for a strategy session with me, and we'll see if you're a good candidate to work with Helena. And we're going to get you loving yourself, because if you're watching this, you're probably fantastic. So sign up. If you're not quite ready and you'd like to get some more dating advice, I curated videos especially for you. YouTube has this cool functionality that actually gears them towards you with their algorithm. So we'll put those up here and here so you can watch. So enjoy, and I love you, and we'll see you next time.